Meet the Queen of the Sanctuary, Shanti Deva. Shanti came to the sanctuary from the New York's Catskill Game Farm in 2006 at 11 years old. It was just before Christmas when they began auctioning off 950 animals. All animals would go to the highest bidder, making national news. Many people were worried that the animals, including Shanti and her pride, would wind up in the hands of unethical dealers, or would go to people who ran canned shooting operations, where hunters pay to shoot fenced-in animals. But luckily, Shanti Deva and her pride, that consisted of lioness Asha and lion Aslan, came to the place where they would be able to live wild at heart for the rest of their lives. In her senior years, she benefits from our Comfort Care program, which allows her to kick back and relax, content, pain-free, while chatting it up with boyfriend Chipino, who resides next to her. Queen Shanti Deva has been living at TWS for 15 years, and will continue to live out her geriatric years and live wild at heart.